These fresh mangoes arrived early this morning. We process thousands of tons of ripe mangoes daily.
The raw mangoes head straight into the facility.
Every single batch is manually inspected right here.
High-pressure jets thoroughly clean the fruit before pulping. A brief steam bath softens the skins for easier peeling.
This machine separates the massive pits from the rich fruit flesh.
The extracted pulp is incredibly thick and rich.
We refine the puree to make it completely smooth. We blend the rich pulp with pure water and sugar syrup.
The juice is blended until the texture is perfectly uniform. Vacuum de-aeration removes trapped air to preserve freshness. The juice is flash pasteurized before heading to the filling line. The packaging line shapes the cartons automatically.
Every carton is completely sanitized before the filling zone.
This automator filler tops 12 cartons at a time. Electronic sensors guarantee a perfect fill level for every pack. Ultrasonic seals lock the freshness inside the carton. Plastic pour spouts are heat fused onto the cartons at high speed.
We cool and dry the packs before they reach final inspection.
Every single carton is scanned for ultimate quality control.
Each carton is stamped with a precise batch tracking code.
This batch will produce 50,000 cartons of premium juice.
The logistics team has cleared this batch for international distribution.
Velvety mango juice, processed from real pulp and packed fresh for the shelves.